Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari if it's not working on your iPhone. If Safari won't load websites, keeps freezing, or won't connect properly, there are several simple fixes you can try. First, completely close the Safari app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find Safari in the app switcher, and swipe it away. Next, open the Settings app. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn airplane mode back off. This refreshes your Wi-Fi and cellular connection in case the problem is related to your internet connection. Next, tap Cellular. Scroll down until you find Safari in the list of apps. Make sure cellular data is turned on for Safari. If it is turned off, Safari may only work while you're connected to Wi-Fi. Now go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap Apps, then find and open Safari. Next, scroll down and tap Advanced. Tap Website Data. Here, you'll see website data, cache, and cookies saved by Safari. Tap Remove all website data, then Confirm. Clearing this data can help if corrupted website data is causing Safari to freeze or load incorrectly. Now go back to the Safari settings. If you see Hide IP address, you can temporarily turn it off and test Safari again. If that doesn't make any difference, you can turn it back on afterward. Next, check whether screen time restrictions are affecting Safari. Go back to Settings and tap Screen Time. Open Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, check the Allowed Apps and Web Content settings to make sure Safari or web access isn't being restricted. If Safari still isn't working, check for an iOS update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it, and then test Safari again. If the problem continues, you can try resetting your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, General.Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if asked. This will reset system settings, but it will not delete your personal photos, videos, or apps. Finally, you can try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Once your iPhone turns back on, open Safari and test it again. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix Safari not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.